Welcome to Healthcare Channel. Please subscribe and share this video to help others in this way. Let's delve deep into the incredible world of dates and uncover the multitude of health benefits they offer. Buckle up for a sweet journey through the nutritional wonders of this natural treat. Number 1. Nutrient Powerhouse. Dates are more than just a delicious snack, they're a treasure trove of essential nutrients. Packed with vitamins, including A, K, and various B vitamins, dates also boast an impressive mineral profile, featuring potassium, magnesium, copper, and manganese. These nutrients play crucial roles in supporting overall health and well-being. Number 2. Natural Sweetener Alternative. In the quest for healthier sweeteners, dates emerge as a natural and wholesome option. Their innate sweetness, derived from natural sugars like glucose, fructose, and sucrose, makes them an excellent substitute for refined sugars. This not only satisfies sugar cravings, but also contributes to a more balanced and nutritious diet. Number 3. Elevated energy levels. Need a quick energy boost? Look no further than dates. The sugars present in dates provide a rapid source of energy, making them an ideal snack for a pre-workout pick-me-up or a revitalizing treat during a busy day. Athletes, in particular, can benefit from the immediate energy release that dates offer. Number 4. Digestive health support. Fiber is a dietary superhero, especially when it comes to digestive health. Dates are rich in fiber, promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. The fiber content also contributes to a healthy digestive system, supporting the efficient absorption of nutrients from food. Number 5. Heart-friendly goodness. Maintaining a healthy heart is crucial for overall well-being, and dates play a role in achieving that goal. The potassium content in dates helps regulate blood pressure, reducing the risk of hypertension and related cardiovascular issues. Including dates in your diet can be a sweet way to love your heart. Number 6. Antioxidant boost. Dates are loaded with antioxidants, the mighty defenders against oxidative stress and inflammation. These compounds help neutralize free radicals in the body, protecting cells from damage. Regular consumption of dates may contribute to overall health by reducing the risk of chronic diseases associated with inflammation. Number 7. Building blocks for bones. Strong and healthy bones are essential for a vibrant life. Dates contribute to bone health by providing essential minerals such as phosphorus, magnesium, and calcium. These minerals are integral to bone structure and density, helping prevent conditions like osteoporosis. Number 8. Iron infusion. Iron is a vital component in the production of hemoglobin, the oxygen-carrying molecule in our blood. Dates are a good source of iron, making them a valuable addition to the diet, especially for individuals prone to or dealing with iron deficiency anemia. Number 9. Anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health issues, from arthritis to cardiovascular diseases. Dates contain compounds with anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce inflammation in the body. Including dates in an anti-inflammatory diet can be a flavorful and nutritious strategy for overall health. Number 10. Cognitive well-being. The nutrients found in dates, including vitamins and antioxidants, may contribute to improved brain health and cognitive function. While more research is needed in this area, the potential benefits make dates an appealing addition to a brain-boosting diet. Conclusion. In conclusion, dates are not just a delectable treat, they are a nutritional powerhouse offering a wide array of health benefits. Whether you enjoy them on their own, stuffed with nuts, or blended into a smoothie, incorporating dates into your diet can be a sweet and wholesome choice for your well-being. So, indulge in the natural goodness of dates and savor the health benefits they bring to the table.